L O U R S. Colors.
Dear students, which color is this? Red color. Red color. This is green color. Which color is this? Green color. This is red. Red. And this is green. Green. Red. Red. Green. Green. Remember the color of red and green. So dear students, which is red? This is red. And which is green? This one is green. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. G-R-E-E-N, green. So dear students, let's practice the color of green and red. A green crocodile. A green crocodile. A red crab. A red crab. A green crocodile. A green crocodile. A red crab. A red crab. Green tree. Green tree. Red shoe. Red shoe. A green tree. A green tree. A red shoe. A red shoe. Where is green tree? It is here. And where is green crocodile? It is here. Where is red shoe? It is here. And where is red crab? It is here. A red crab. A red shoe. A green tree. A green crocodile. A green tree. A red shoe. A green tree. Understood? Dear students, what we have to do? Click on everything that is red. Red fish, red crab, and red lobster. Now what we have to do? Click on everything that is green. What is green? The parrot is green. Green tree. Green frog. Now dear students, what we have to do? We have to match red with red color and green thing with green color. Red shoe with red color. Green tree with green color. Red crab with red shoe. Green crocodile with green color. So dear students, you have to find out red color. Which is red color? This is red color. Now, which is green color? This is green color. Now, show the red apple. Click on the red apple. This is red apple. Click on the green apple. Green apple. Understood? Dear students, let's learn the blue and yellow color. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow. This is blue color. This is blue color. And this is yellow color. This is yellow color. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow. Which is blue color? This is blue color. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. And which is yellow color? This is yellow color. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Dear students, let's practice the blue and yellow color. Repeat after me. This is a blue fish. This is a blue fish. This is a yellow banana. This is a yellow banana. A blue fish. A blue fish. A yellow banana. A yellow banana. This is a blue pencil. This is a blue pencil. This is a yellow bus. This is a yellow bus. A blue pencil. A blue pencil. A yellow bus. A yellow bus. Where is a blue pencil? Where is a yellow bus? It is here. Where is a yellow banana? It is here. Where is a blue fish? It is here. A blue fish. Where is a yellow banana? It is here. A yellow banana. Where is a yellow bus? It is here. And where is a blue pencil? It is here. A blue pencil. And where is a yellow bus? It is here. A yellow bus. Now dear students, what you have to do? Click on everything that is blue. Which things are blue in this picture? Blue fridge, blue stones, blue dishwasher. Now let's click on everything that is yellow. Which things are yellow in this pictures? Yellow banana, yellow lemon. Dear students, let's match the same color. Blue pencil with blue color, and this is yellow color, and this is yellow banana. Let's match yellow banana with yellow color. Now next is blue pencil and blue fish. Match it. Blue pencil and blue fish. This is yellow bus and yellow banana. Yellow bus with yellow banana. Dear students, which is blue color? This is blue. Now which is yellow color? This is yellow. Which bird is blue? This bird is blue. And which bird is yellow? This bird is yellow. Dear students, let's learn the color black and white. Black, black, white, white. This is black. This is black. This is white. This is white. This is black color. This is black color. And this is white color. This is white color. Which color is black? This is black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Which color is white? This color is white. W-H-I-T-E, white. Dear students, let's practice black and white color. This is a black pot. This is a black pot. This is a white egg. This is a white egg. A black pot. A black pot. A white egg. A white egg. This is a black cat. This is a black cat. This is a white shirt. This is a white shirt. A black cat. A black cat. A white shirt. A white shirt. Where is a white shirt? Where is a black pot? Where is a white egg? Where is a black cat? It is here. A black cat. Where is a white shirt? It is here. A white shirt. Dear students, to learn black and white color, let's practice What we have to do, we have to click on everything that is black. Which objects are black? Which things are black? Black umbrella, black coat and black hanger. Dear students, let's find all white things. Click on everything that is white. White milk, white egg and white mushroom. Let's match black thing with black color and white thing with white color. This is black cat and this color is black. So let's match black with black. What is the color of egg? White. White color, white egg. Black cat, black pot, white shirt, white egg. Black with black, white with white. So dear students, which is black color? This is black color and this is white color. Which is black dog? This first dog is black dog and the second dog is white dog. Dear students, let's practice all the color. Which is red color? Click on the red color. This is red color. Click on green color. This is green color. And where is blue color? This is blue color. Where is yellow color? This color is yellow color. And this is white color. This is black color and this is white color. Dear students, let's match the objects with the same color. This is red crab, this is blue fish, this is black cat. So we will match the red crab with red color and blue fish with blue color and black cat with black color. Next, yellow banana, green crocodile, white egg. Yellow banana with yellow color, green crocodile with green color and white egg with white color. Let's practice all the colors. Black, green, red, blue, white, yellow. Where is red color? Red. Green. This is green. Black. Blue. This is blue color. Yellow. Flowers are yellow. White. This is white. This is black. This is black. And this is yellow flower and this is white. Dear students, we learned colors. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.